Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekam Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very important remedy, a polycrest, in a very important condition, and that is skin complaints of natramure. Yes, natramure you might have learned every day in your, uh, seen in your practice every day, learned from the professors in college, in and out. But some skin symptom which I found very useful in natramure, you can see those skin symptom and enter the case. You can select a primary symptom from natramure skin to enter the whole case sometimes. For example, in natramure it is written cicatrices painful. Cicatrices painful. Of course, there may be a lot of remedies where the cicatrices are painful. You can think about carbonimelase, lachesis, nitric acid, natramure, hypericum, where the cicatrices are painful. In natramure, the cicatrices break open. They break open, and that's a very important symptom of natramure. Painful and they break open. Very close to phosphorus, silicia, causticum, and borax. Yes, these are the remedies which are very close to natramure. The discoloration of skin of natramure is very much dirty. It is dirty, sometimes it is very pale. But dirty discoloration of natramure skin is very important, and it is important to know because whenever the word dirty comes, the first remedy that comes to our mind is sulfur. But think about natramure, think about soranum, think about thuja, and think about natramure. Next, as you move forward, the eruptions. The eruptions in natramure are very important and very what you call differentiating from other remedies. The eruptions are generally on the hairy parts of the body. So natramure patient will always say the eruptions are generally in the hairy parts. Wherever there are a lot of hairs, the eruptions will be there, and it is very close to one remedy, that is rust toxicodendron. Of course, there are remedies you have to think in this condition. First is rust toxicodendron, Merxol, natramure, and one of the rare remedies, do remember lithium carb. Lithium carb is also an important remedy where the eruptions are present on the hairy parts of the body, generally. Or eruptions in natramure from being overheated. Now, this is a very important symptom, a very important symptom of natramure. The eruptions generally aggravated from being overheated. Very close is conium maculatum, sorinum, pulsatilla, bovista, and carbones. Such an important indication of skin symptom of natramure, which normally we fail to appreciate or see in that patient. The eruptions in natramure are basically crusty and they are white. White crusty eruptions, so peculiar to natramure, so peculiar to lycopodium, and so peculiar to calcarea carp. But natramure is a topmost remedy. You have to remember eruptions, crusty and white. Now the discharges from the eruptions, again a very important symptom of natramure, my dear friends. In natramure, the eruptions are discharged, they are moist. Hence, they destroy the hair. You see a patient comes to you and says, Doctor Sahab, my all hairs have been gone because I had a skin disease where the eruptions was very moist and it has taken away all the hairs. My dear friends, think about natramure. It is written in the Mathematica, eruption discharging moist, destroying the hair. Please do think about natramure, think about rustox. Two very important remedies. Then you can also think about Merxol. Hence, it is said the eruptions, some discharges are corrosive. And in some cases, the discharge is glutinous. What it is written? It is written glutinous. Glutinous. Now, glutinous discharge, because whenever a patient tells sticky discharge, glutinous discharge, first remedy that comes to our mind is graphitis. But my dear friends, think about natramure, graphitis, calcarea carp. Three important remedies, and one more important remedy that comes to my mind with glutinous discharge is carbon sulf. Carbon sulf, again a very important remedy for skin because of its sulfur content. So this is something about the eruptions, very important. One symptom of natramure related to salt, that is in natramure the eczema from salt or after salted food. Very, very important. Eczema from salted food or after salted food. And this you will get in your patient. I've seen lot many of patients of natriumur. I ask this symptom and they say, yes, sir, we have this symptom. Very, very close to natriumur, or very, very important, a rare remedy used for rheumatism. You have to think about is formic. It is formic acid. Formic acid, a very, very important remedy. In that also you have eczema after eating salt or salted food. This is very important. Now, in natriumur, you have to think about the eruptions, herpetic. Herpetic eruptions, especially in fever. My dear friends, if you see a case of herpetic eruption in fever, please do think about natriumur, a very, very important remedy, that is natriumur. You can also think about Carbo-Veg. As you go further, let's see, there are lots and lots of symptoms of eruptions in Amater Medica. This, what I have seen in my practice, I have confirmed in patients and given results by seeing these symptoms in natriumur. Of course, you have eruptions which are nodular, vesicular, burning red in natriumur, but these symptoms basically I have seen, in my practice and given to patients, and I have got the results. Of course, the skin of natriumur, as you all know, is greasy and hair falls out from the skin. Natriumur is also indicated for lice. जुए बोलते हैं हिंदी में, for lice. It's also a very, very important indication of skin. And as you go further in natriumur, menses during aggravations means the skin symptoms are aggravated during menses. A very, very important and a very, very close symptom of natriumur is with menses, it aggravates during menses, skin symptoms. And one of the very defining or peculiar symptom of natriumur skin is there is urticaria which is white. You'll only get in natriumur. So if you have this, please do think about natriumur. And one important indication of warts. In natriumur, the warts are painful, and the pain is also very, very peculiar. The patient will tell you cutting pain. Cutting pain. And one symptom that I recall in natriumur is formication. And the formication extends from the feet upwards. Feet, our patient will come tell that chitiya chal rahi hai. There is something in the skin, tingling in the skin, which extends upward from the feet. My dear friends, please do think about natriumur. It's a very, very important indication of natriumur skin symptom. Of course, it's also indicated in ulcers. Ulcers and vesicles are surrounded around the ulcers. That's a very important indication of ulcers in natriumur. Or you can also think about ulcers which are fistulous and ulcers where it is swollen ulcers. So these symptoms are very, very important for prescribing natriumur in skin symptom. You might have heard a lot about natriumur mind symptoms and fever symptoms, but skin symptom normally you forget. That's why I've added a very, very important indication of natriumur in skin. Please do go home, read your Mater Medica, see the skin symptoms, a lot of skin symptoms. And remember, these symptoms, these are clinical symptoms which I have seen in my practice, and I've got good results by using natriumur in these type of conditions. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.